你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 12. In today's lesson, we are going to learn another 2 compound strokes, begin with 竖 and 6 new characters. Well, let's get started. This compound stroke is called 竖弯. It begins with 竖, then goes right with this curve, 弯, 竖弯. In our previous lesson, we learned the compound stroke 竖折. The 2 strokes look very similar. They both begin with 竖, then have a right turning. The only difference is in the 竖折, the turning part is straight. But in the 竖弯, the turning part is a little bit curved. Let's look at 2 characters with this new compound stroke, 竖弯. This character is 西. 西. Its ancient written form is like this. It looks like a bird's nest. The character was originally made to represent a bird's nest, but the original meaning had already gone. Later, this character was borrowed to indicate the west direction. The current written form of the character 西 means west or western. Let's look at some examples with the character 西. 西边, 西边, 西 means west. 边 means side. 西边, west side. Here is a sentence. 广场西边有一个书店. 广场西边有一个书店. The later translation is Square west side has one bookstore. The real meaning is there is a bookstore to the west of the square. 西餐, 西餐, 餐 means food. So 西餐, western food. 中餐 means Chinese food. 中 here means Chinese. 中餐, Chinese food. The sentence. 我们今天下午吃西餐吗？我们今天下午吃西餐吗？吃 means to eat. 吗 is the question particle. We already learned this character in the previous lesson. So the meaning of this question is, do we have Western food this afternoon? Here is the correct stroke order of 西. Write the top 横 first, then write 竖 and 横折钩. The fourth stroke is 撇, then the new compound stroke 竖弯. The 2 strokes are both connected with the top stroke 横 without going across it. The last one is 横, 6 strokes in total. One more time. 横, 竖, 横折钩, 撇, 竖弯, 横, 西, west or western. This compound stroke is called. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.